I find that funny that I'm saying that, but I've worked with the acrylics for so long now, mostly. And if I'm painting in oil, almost always I'm using the Cobra oil, which is a much grippier, stickier paint. So um, I was having a time getting used to the the fluid nature of this traditional oil paint. And I wasn't using solvent. And I've got a little cup of Neil McGill sitting on the palette that Gamma makes. And I barely used any of that either. So just the paint itself was way, had as much oil in it as I possibly needed. Let me put it that way. At some point in this, I did turn the camera off and took a little bit of a break. Because I thought I need that stuff set up a little bit because it was just so wet. Um, and I put quite a bit of paint on here because I'm using the palette knife. So I had a lot of paint on there that I wished had been a little more firm so that I could drag other paint over it and that sort of thing. Drag a brush stroke over the top of it. But I took about a 20-minute break, and when I came back, the Alkyd White had set the paint up enough to where I could work back into it pretty well.